Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you another very simple recipe for the summer, but this one is a little bit more interesting, I would say. It has a little bit more oomph, so you can prepare it for guests as well. You want to start out with some flour in a bowl, and then you want to go ahead and add your butter in chunks. And the exact measurements are down below as always. You want to add a little bit of water to that, as well as some salt, and then you want to knead it into a dough, and you want to be quite quick with that. And then you want to put it in the fridge for 1 hour. While the dough is resting, you can cut down your tomatoes in 2 slices, and you don't want to make them too thin. Then we want to prepare the sauce, and for that I used some cream, as well as 2 eggs, and then 1 egg yolk. You can do 1 egg and 2 egg yolks, but I thought that kind of mixture was fine. You also want to add some salt and some pepper. And now you want to cut down half of the cheese. And you want to go ahead and cut that into very small pieces. And then you want to put those into the sauce and give it all a very good mix. Now the rest of the goat cheese you can just cut into thin slices. Now you want to take your dough and you want to spread it out in your baking pan. You can also roll it out and fit it in whatever you like. Then you want to spread the sauce all over that and make sure it's distributed evenly. And then you want to add the tomato slices all over so it is completely covered. And you want to bake that with 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. You can also add some Italian herbs, and I also added a little bit of smoked paprika before it went into the oven. Then you want to sprinkle some oil as well and some vinegar. And now, as I said, it goes into the oven for 30 minutes. Then it should look like this, and you want to go ahead and add the rest of the goat cheese all over, and you want to bake it with 180 degrees Celsius again for another 10 minutes. And then it is done and you're ready to enjoy. Before you cut it, you should let it settle a little bit so it looks nice when you cut it. But yeah, it's very delicious. I hope you give it a try, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!